What's going on, guys? Today we are in Deer Run, and behind me here is the Cali Model. I'm getting ready to show you inside in just a minute, but I wanted to let you know a little bit about this neighborhood. And this here specifically is built by DR Horton. There's going to be a couple different layouts, a couple different floor plans in the neighborhood, so if this one doesn't fit your needs, there are different models available. The price points are going to range a little bit. Give me a call or a text and I'll give you the exact price. We love helping buyers reach out. We love representing them. And we've got some great relationships with some of the representatives here, so we can help get you a deal as well. If you like this content, if you want to stay tuned to everything in Pensacola, new builds, new construction, real estate, and just stay on top of the market, go ahead and subscribe, like the channel, and without further ado, let's go check it out. All right, guys, so here we are at the Cali Model home, and again, we are in Deer Run, and I'm going to throw in a couple clips as we kind of walk through this house to show you the neighborhood as well, so you get an idea of what the subdivision is like. But just right offhand, you're going to be looking at a one-story house. This is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1787 square foot, and you've got a 2-car garage. And really nice finishes. This is one of the most popular models in that DR Horton does. So you come right in here and you're going to take a look at the home. And DR Horton is just incredibly competitive. Because they're one of the largest builders in the nation, they can get their prices down. And many local builders really kind of can't compete with the finishes you get for the price point. They're constantly building new subdivisions, and so if this is something you like the finishes. Now keep in mind, this is a staged home. This is a model home, but sometimes that helps you take a look and kind of analyze the size of the rooms. It helps you see the space. And the closets and the garage are kind of full of some stuff, just because, again, it is a model home. No one actually lives here. But I hope you enjoy, and without further ado, take a look.
you like this, do me a favor, like and subscribe to the channel to stay tuned to some of the most up-to-date homes available to the market, sometimes not even on the market. We've got some awesome local connections here in Pensacola and surrounding areas. My name's Levi Fortner. I'm with LPT Realty and I run the Fortner Group. Stay tuned till next time. Thanks for watching.